Assalamualaikum. This Lin Star from Vietnam, and this my team.
Hello everyone, I'm Tất Phạm, founder of BG Racing. Big news everyone, Linstar is heading to Malaysia. We are thrilled to be a special guest to ISMG 2026 this May 8 and 9. Come swing by our booth to check out what we have been working on to experience the quality by yourself.
I'm Brian from B2B 3D Printing, and here is the best part. We are bringing a piece of Vietnam and Thailand to you. Join our lucky draw for a chance to win amazing gear from Piranha, Vamos, BG Racing, and B2B Performance.
We can wait to meet the community in Malaysia.
See you soon.
We hope you enjoy and race.
Let's go!